Consul General Khan, at the end, I would like to ask you if you would like to convey a message through our program to the community.
My message to the community is to remain positive about Pakistan, optimistic about Pakistan, hopeful about Pakistan. Pakistan is on its right path. Pakistan has a bright future, and you can see through your own eyes Pakistan coming up in the field of economy, information technology, and macroeconomic stabilization in the past few months is a sign that Pakistan's economy has been established, is being reformed on firm footing. And recent announcement by the government of Pakistan, the economic package for next 5 years in the name of Udan Pakistan, shows government's commitment to usher into a new era of Pakistan's socio-economic development. So remain positive about Pakistan, remain connected to Pakistan, visit Pakistan, and encourage your children to visit Pakistan, your American friends to visit Pakistan, to see for themselves what Pakistan offers. It's a beautiful country, it's a great country, and your support and your firm belief in Pakistan will further take it forward in this century.